Hello, my name is Mindy Myers Flowers. I am your professor this semester, and as promised, here's my introduction to each of you. First of all, welcome. I'm glad to have each of you in class. I look forward to getting to know each of you and helping you find your way through grad school. I am also a student. I am all but dissertation on my PhD from Texas Tech University. My doctorate will be in curriculum instruction for education. My long-term goal is to teach full-time at a college or university in an education or kinesiology department. I'm very interested in college and career readiness and kids who can succeed and kids who can't. And anyway, but currently I am the girls coordinator, head basketball coach at Vernon High School in Vernon, Texas. I grew up about an hour from Vernon in a very small German Catholic community called Rhineland. I went to high school and graduated from Monday High School. I'm the youngest of 14 kids. Both of my parents have passed away in recent years. I have 4 children of my own. I only have one left in high school. She's a junior this year. She plays all sports. Then I have one who is a freshman at Vernon College who's on the volleyball team. I also have one at Texas Tech Health Science Center in Lubbock, and she is working on her degree in speech pathology. And then my son is working as a plumber's apprentice, and hopefully someday he'll grow up. That's my hope for him. Anyway, I have a long history in sports. I played all 4 years of basketball at Midwestern State University. I'm actually in their Hall of Honor for basketball. I'm also, I was their kinesiology student of the year my senior year at Midwestern. From there, I started my coaching career. My preferred sports are cross country, track, and basketball. However, I have coached quite a bit of volleyball. I don't know that I'm very good at it, but I've done it. I also worked at Midland College for about 10 years in the college and career readiness department. I was their QEP director and their student success director. About 5 years ago, my kids were ready to move what they thought was home. So we came back to Rhineland, and I worked in school districts around here. I took the Vernon job with the opportunity of moving into administration or up into the college level. I believe in higher education. I know it gets bashed a lot these days. However, I still believe that it is a necessary component in our society in order to advance. And I know it's not for everyone, and I do think technical schools are also great. I'm also very interested in sport because I think it teaches a lot of life skills. I mean, you learn from winning, you learn from losing, you learn from showing up, determination. I know grit is a common word these days, but I think that a lot of athletes get it from sport and from the teamwork and everything that goes with participating on a team. So anyway, that's a little bit about me. I am available most times of the day. I do try to check my email often. If for some reason I'm not getting back with you, you can text me, and I'll be happy to answer any of your questions. I am sorry for getting so far behind on grading. It's been a busy start of the school year. I teach 5 freshman English classes at Vernon with about 140 students in. So I've had my work cut out for me this first semester. However, from here on out, I plan on grading every Sunday, and so your grades should be up to date. Good luck. Have fun. If you need anything, I will work with you. I'm not a terribly hard instructor. I know you each have a life, and I have a life, and so just contact me and let me know what's going on. Have a good semester.